Hello, today I'm Paul from EMD Automotive. Today I'm doing a Macan GTS front disc, front pads and rear disc, rear pads. Just want to show you what we do here at EMD Automotive. Have a look inside there. Look how dirty that part is. So when we do brake pads and disc on any model car, what we do is we clean the exterior of the brake caliper. See here, nice and neat. Before it was very dirty. And at the same time, try my best to clean the interior as well, to take as much brake dust from the interior, because before that was all black here, you can't even see red. And now it's, I'm going to probably wipe down one more time. You can't really take everything out, but you try your best. Alright, at the same time, you'll have the special tools to do the brake calipers, otherwise you damage some of the lines by pulling too hard on it. We torque up the brake bolt, the bolts, replace the bolts as well, get new bolts and torque it up to specs. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Just quickly, that goes for all 4 calipers. So you got usually clean all 4 calipers before I fit the brake pads. At the same time, I've got a bit of grease here. See that? A little bit of grease. I had to sand it down with sandpaper, using sandpaper to sand that part down and put a bit of grease there so the brake disc doesn't get seized in there. Have a look at this side here. If you don't do it, if you just put the disc in there and the wheels, our customers will know, but next time you do brake disc, it'll be so hard to take it off because there's seized in there. So we gotta sand it all the way down, sand it down nice and clean, and put the extra anti-seize grease in there for the next job to be done properly. Alright? Show you one more time. And look at that. See the difference? I put the grease there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.